how to see repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see repost on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, there you'll see multiple tabs at the middle of the screen. So there you can simply tap on the repost icon and there you'll see all your repost on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.